Hello and welcome to another walkthrough of MyMaths task 181, coordinates 1, positive. Okay, the thing to know about coordinates is the first number in the brackets is going to be to go left or right, and then the second number in the bracket is to just go up or down. Some people are taught along the corridor and up the stairs. So if you're going in the house, if you came to my house for example, you'd walk along the corridor, then you would go up the stairs. If you're heading upstairs for some weird reason, like a burglar or something. Don't do that. Anyway, so to get from the hill, you always start at the origin. This point down here is called the origin, so here's the origin. So it's got its own special name, origin. So it's like where you originate from, like where you originate from the Neanderthals and monkeys. Weird question. If we came from monkeys, why are there still monkeys? Strange. Anyway, to get to the hill, so starting from the origin, I've got to go 2 across and then I've got to go 1 up to get to the hill. So we always put coordinates in brackets, so it's 2 across and then 1 up, so it's just 2 bracket 1, and that's all it is. To get to the cave, all I've got to do to go from the origin is 2, 4, 5 across, and then I've got to go 3 up. So to get to the cave, I go 5 across, 3 up, and then I'm at the cave. Plotting points, same idea, so 3 across and then 3 up. So start here, 1, 2, 3 across, 1, 2, 3 up. So the first point is here, and then the second point, 4, 5, is 1, 2, 3, 4 across, 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is all the way up here. So there you go. Plotting points, across, up all the time. So 1, 1, starting from the origin, 1 across, 1 up. 1 across, 1 up is there, so that's where A is going to land. B is going to be 1 across, 4 up, so 1 across, 1, 2, 3, 4 up is here, so there's B. And then C is a 2, 4, so I just go 2 across from the origin, 1, 2, and then 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4 up is there. There you go, so there's A, B, and finally C. Looking at the squares, so the square, where would I put a dot to finish the square off? Well, I've got to put it there to finish the square off. And what's the coordinate to this point? Well, it's starting from the origin, it's 1, 2, 3 across and then 2 up. So it's 3 across and 2 up to get to the corner of that square. And finally, the last one, a little bit tricky because the square's on a bit of a diagonal, so I've got to try to picture where that's going to be. So it goes 1 and then 2, so for me it's going to be 1 and 2, so it's going to be there. And then the coordinates of that point from the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4 across, 1 up, so it's 4, 1. You'll notice I marked all my points with crosses, and that's mathematically how we do it. A cross is much more accurate than this random coloured in dot, because you go from the centre across where you could go anywhere on that dot. It's a bit weird. That's how MyMaths does it. Anyway. That's it, coordinates 1, have fun, bye now.